if you're a fan of Tiffany Co, or maybe you're a fan of Blackpink's Rosé, okay, well then this is the video that you want to watch, because I was able to pick up a piece from the collaboration with Tiffany and Blackpink's Rosé from her Tiffany Lock ROSÉ Edition collection. So if you want to hear my honest thoughts and what I think, then definitely stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to do an honest review and share what I got from Tiffany Co with the collaboration with Blackpink's Rosé. So this collection is called the Tiffany Lock ROSÉ Edition. And I picked up a lock bracelet. Yes, because you guys know I love my white gold lock bracelet. It's my favorite. You know, I really want to get the one with pave all over the bracelet, like the diamonds just everywhere, because you know mine is just half pave, but that's the goal. The goal is to get the one with full pave. But anyways, today's video is about what I got. Like I said, it is the lock bracelet from the Tiffany Lock ROSÉ Edition collection. And yeah, I'm about to share it with you today, give you my honest thoughts, what I think, and try it on. Yeah. Okay guys, so if you've seen my very first video in regards to my Tiffany Lock bracelet, then you know that there were some sizing issues. I ordered the wrong size and then I had to go back and a whole thing. But now that I know what my size is when it comes to Tiffany Lock bracelets, I got the right size. I'm a size small for, you know, my wrist, and that's like the perfect size. So just wanted to let you know up front, got it in the right size this time. So I thought this would be a great addition to my collection, not only because it's in rose gold, but it's in rose gold with pink sapphires. And I love a beautiful pink stone, pink sapphires. I mean, really pink diamonds, but that's a whole nother price point. So, you know, not there quite yet, but I was able to pick up this beautiful bracelet, and when I saw it, just, you know, from the video and the images that were online, I thought, oh yes, I need to have that. Plus, I'm growing my rose gold pieces, like my rose gold fine jewelry pieces, and I thought this would be a great addition to my collection in the rose gold category. So again, I did pick up the bracelet and I will give you a peek at it, you know. Oh, and I have to say that it does come in this beautiful box. And this one is from the Tiffany Lock ROSÉ Edition collection, and it does have it engraved not only with the name of Tiffany, but then the name of the collection. So that's what's on the box. And I thought that was beautiful. So I was like, oh, that's nice. You know what? They need to put my name on here. I need to get my name engraved. So I really do need to find out if I can have maybe my name engraved on one of my boxes, because that would be great. I'd like it. Okay, so here is the bracelet. I'm going to open it up for you. How beautiful is that? I absolutely love this bracelet. I love that it comes in rose gold and that it comes with pink sapphires, which are known to be one of like the rarest gemstones when it comes to sapphires. I love how the pink sapphires really bring out the rosy hue that's in rose gold, because sometimes it can get lost. Here's the pink sapphires, and like I said, it's in rose gold. I think it really goes well with you know, Rosé's name, of course, a rose colored stone, and with the rose gold. And I feel like it does pair very well with the rose gold. I actually really like this bracelet. I'm really getting more into rose gold, so I thought this was a great piece. But the only thing about rose gold is that every company does rose gold different. Like with the rose gold at Tiffany, they definitely have a nice pinky, coppery color in it, so it does look like rose gold. And I know you've seen some pieces that they look rose gold but almost look like they could be just regular gold or more champagne. But for this bracelet, I really do see the rose gold tone in it. And let me try this on. All right, there we go. So this is the bracelet on. Try to get closer for you guys to really see it. Okay, so this is what the bracelet kind of, you know, looks on my wrist. And the one thing I can say about it is that it does pair well with, you know, rose gold can kind of really pair well with regular gold or with other rose gold pieces. So I do like that, because normally when I wear my white gold lock bracelet, I normally wear it by itself. Sometimes I'll wear it with like another bangle or bracelet, but usually it's by itself. And I love that I can also pair it with my rose gold jewelry. I don't have a huge collection of rose gold jewelry. I just have a few pieces, but I feel like this will definitely pair well with it, because for me, I love to kind of be matchy when it comes to my fine jewelry. So if I'm going to wear something like this with rose gold, then I want to wear a rose gold ring, a rose gold earrings. That's just what I like to do. I like to kind of match my metals, and I know some people like to mix match their metals. Sometimes I'll wear a ring and that might not be the same shade of gold that I have in my bracelets or my earrings, but usually everything matches, you know? I really am trying to add more pieces to my collection. So, you know, I do have my rose gold ring that I just got from Hermes, from their fine jewelry, and I actually got another rose gold ring from Hermes. So I'm going to definitely wear it with my lock bracelet. And then I also like that I could wear the lock bracelet by itself. It doesn't have to be worn with anything else. It's almost a statement piece on its own. All right, so just to give like my honest review about this bracelet. Now I did notice, again, in my bracelet, and I've seen it happen in the other just standard Tiffany lock bracelets, is that a few of the stones did look a little dull and lifeless, meaning they didn't have that nice sparkle. And that can usually happen if a stone or a gem is not cut quite right, or it's not placed quite right when it's, you know, put into its setting. So I did already talk to my SA about maybe doing an exchange. Again, it was only like, I think 3 stones that I can see with my naked eye. I could try to show it to you guys, but you're not gonna see it unless you're like here in person with me. Then I could really point it out to you and you'll be like, okay, yeah, I see. But for other than that, the bracelet is, again, beautiful. It's nice. I like it. And I think this was actually a lower price point than the regular lock bracelets, if I'm not mistaken. I'll definitely, you know, link it below in the description to the bracelet, and then just to the Tiffany Lock bracelet collection, so you can kind of do a comparison of your own. And I do want to say that, you know, with this collaboration with Blackpink's Rosé, she also did create not only the lock bracelet, but she did create a necklace, earrings, possibly a ring. So if you want to see other pieces from this collection, definitely check it out. I'm just happy to have this part of my collection. Again, I do love pink. I actually like all the colors, but I do love pink when it comes to jewelry, just because it's a little something different, you know. I love a nice stone that sparkles. So if it's going to be a gemstone, it needs to sparkle. That's very important to me when it comes to my jewelry, is that sparkle factor. That's pretty much the end of this video. Didn't have a lot to say, didn't want to keep you guys too long, but I definitely wanted to share this beautiful bracelet. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and you know, I want to ask you to just go ahead and subscribe, because if you liked today's content, then I promise you're going to love all the rest of the videos and the videos to come from this channel. Hit that like and the subscribe button so you can be part of the Fab family. I drop a video every week plus a short, and definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this new collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.